Weaving section. Ang example ng weaving section ay yung clover leaf na nakikita nyo sa likod. Bali yung background niya. Yun yung example ng weaving section. Ang other name for weaving section ay interchange. So what is a weaving section? It is defined as the crossing of two or more traffic streams traveling in the same general directions along a significant path of highway with the aid of traffic signal. Bakit nga ba siya tinawag na weaving section? Kasi dito sa weave na to, dyan yung nagko-cross, kumbaga ay nagtatagpo o nagwe-weave ang mga sasakyan na papasok ng freeway at saka yung mga sasakyan na palabas ng freeway. May dalawang elements or guidelines sa pag-establish ng level of service para sa pagde-design ng weaving section. Una, ang traffic volume served. Gaano ba karaming sasakyan ang dumadaan sa freeway araw-araw? Yung huli, to proportion the basic freeway weaving sections, ramps, and ramp junctions to accommodate this flow at the designated level of service using appropriate data.